I've been in your waters. I'm looking for sure.
The Emerald Coast spans over 100 miles along Florida's Panhandle.
One of my personal favorites, we had a second place race car from Indy 500, which is basically a museum piece, in my opinion.
Today we're in horse country,
also known as
Colts Neck, New Jersey.
Choosy people choose Chesapeake, and I'm going to tell you exactly why.
Today we are coming to you from the ever so popular Black Rock.
Twice a year, the city of High Point comes together to offer Southern hospitality.
We're taking you into one of Northwest Arkansas's hottest new restaurants.